So now I would like to call Dr. Ali Asgar for the concluding remarks. Sir, can you come?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So I am Ali Asgar, the scientific chair for the conference. Thank you very much, all of you, for still being here on a Sunday afternoon. It were 3 hectic days, I suppose. And for some of you, you even came on Thursday for the postgraduate course and the diabetes course. So thanks a lot to all our national guests coming from many parts of Pakistan, the international guests coming from many countries, all our moderators, our chairs, our speakers. And our speakers came from 11 countries, traveling miles to come to Pakistan and enjoy Lahore in this conference. Please give a warm hand to all our international speakers. This year, Pakistan Endocrine Society also collaborated with many international organizations. So we collaborated with Society for Endocrinology, United Kingdom, and I'm really grateful to Dr. Richard Quinton for helping out on this. We also collaborated with International Society of Endocrinology, and I'm really grateful and thankful to Dr. Abbas Raza, who is also one of our own mentors and also the ICE president. I also thank South Asian Federation of Endocrine Societies and Professor A.H. Amir, who is the Vice President of CEPHES, for helping us in collaboration with CEPHES, and also our collaboration with ACE. So once again, please thank all these international organizations for joining hands with PES for this conference. Give a warm hand to all of them. My team, the scientific team, I should name them all. They deserve appreciation. My co-chair, Dr. Azra Rizwan, worked wonderfully well for the conference. Dr. Nadeem Naeem, Dr. Sumaira Jabin, Dr. Uruj Lal Rahman, Dr. Sadia Salman, Dr. Matiullah, Dr. Yaqub Khan, Dr. Amina Omar, and Dr. Kaleem Badini, all from different parts of Pakistan, joining hands together to bring this scientific program to all of you. Please give a warm hand to them as well. Our abstract committee working in the background, Professor Yaqub Ahmedani was leading the abstract committee towards with Dr. Uzma Malik and Dr. Yaqub Khan. And her abstract book, which was single-handedly prepared by Dr. Saima Askari, she deserves a warm applause. Last but not the least, the corporate members, we are thankful to them as well. Our vendor, Mr. Muzammil, the IT team, whom I've been poking a lot in the last 3 days, Mr. Ilyas, Mr. Altaf, thank you very much. All our scientific and allied members, you are the force, you are the binding force of Pakistan Endocrine Society. Your participation has been vital in this conference. Pakistan Endocrine Society, really thank you all for participating in this. In the end, my president, Dr. Aisha Sheikh, Dr. Faisal Qureshi, we have had sleepless nights together, so hopefully we'll be having a nice night, sleeping peacefully tonight. Thank you very much to all of you once again. See you all back in our midsummer conference, and then our national conference, annual conference again next year in Karachi. Till then, you can enjoy your dinner, but before that, I would request the most important person for this conference, Dr. Faisal Qureshi. He's a very kind-hearted, very supportive, very helpful person. And being scientific chair, I think having Faisal as the organizing chair was a huge, huge support in carrying out the scientific program. Thank you very much, all of you.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम डॉक्टर हामिद जो हैं अभी ब्यूटी की बात कर रहे थे सो पेस की ब्यूटी ये है कि वी search all the pearls of endocrinology all over the world and bring them here in Pakistan. So I think this all credit goes to PES, and I think in लोगों की मेहरबानी है, they all come here, and I won't take much time, I don't know how many of you know that I'm from Multan. I'm not from here. So मैंने जब डॉक्टर आयशा ने मुझे कॉन्फ्रेंस दी तो I just said, आयशा मुल्तान से मैं कैसे करा सकता हूँ तो but I'm thankful to all PES members, and they just said You're not single. We're a family, and we're standing with you. And I'm thankful to all my PES family. So I won't take the names because by taking names, it will be not justified because मैंने जिसको भी phone किया, जिसको भी message किया, he was there. And I'm really thankful to them. And just because of all PES family efforts, माशाल्लाह इस साल की जो कांग्रेस है, they have broken all the records. तो ये वो achievements हैं. ये achievement मेरी नहीं है. This is achievement of the all PES family, And मैंने जिसको भी phone किया यहाँ पे अब्बास, Dr. खुर्शीद, सारे मेरे साथ के colleagues बैठे हुए हैं. मतलब they were just a call away, and they said, you just whatever help you need, we are here. Dr. Niba, my coach here, And मैं जितना भी इनका शुक्रिया अदा करूँ कम है. And again, our like मुज़म्मिल साहब, जो मेरे दोस्त हैं वो मुझे जानते हैं. अब I'm sure अली भी जान गया होगा कि I'm night rider, मैं क्लिनिक करने के बाद रात को 12 बजे बैठता हूँ and start working, So like sorry अली, मैंने कितनी तुम्हारी रातें ख़राब की होंगी. और I'm sure अली की वाइफ भी शुक्रिया अदा करेंगी क्योंकि कॉन्फ्रेंस ख़त्म होगी. ठीक है. Thank you very much, Ali. And again, last but not the least, our industry partners, So I'm really grateful to them. I don't want to name any of them, because the good thing was, जब उनको पता चला कि डॉक्टर फैसल करवा रहे हैं कॉन्फ्रेंस, so instead of मैं उनके कॉल करता, they all came to me, and they just said, सर क्या करना है? So इससे बड़ी बात नहीं हो सकती. And instead of मैं उन्हें कॉल कर रहा होता, they just came all the way to मुल्तान. अगर कोई मुल्तान नहीं भी आ सकता, तो they just called me and said कि करना क्या है? So these are the kind, I think I'm really grateful to my pharma partners. And again, हम लोगों का थोड़ा सा सिस्टम चेंज हुआ है. we're not giving shields. आप सब फार्मा को आपके emails कर दिए जाएंगे. But again, I think once again I'm thankful to pharma because without all of you guys, this could not have been possible, And with this, all of you have a safe back home journey, and looking forward to see you in midsummer. And lunch is ready. Thank you very much.